Hi everyone, Michael here. I would like to introduce to you our latest handheld solution, the G70 family. G70 is designed with industrial inspection in mind, with our expertise of product design in explosion-proof, ruggedized communication and data collection. G70 is made to suit inspection application in facilities with hazardous equipment. First, let's take a look at the G70S handheld. The G70S is the base unit of the G70 family, ruggedized mobile handheld that sports a 5.5-inch IPS display that supports full 1080p resolution, which allows a lot more work area estate for more information. Its rugged design supports 1.5 meter drop resistance and the IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. It is powered by MediaTek's powerful NT8788 platform, which offers high performance for your apps, so all our industrial handheld should be. But here's what's most interesting thing about the G70S, that we have designed the device with LoRawan support, as G70S is positioned as the industrial rugged data collector. In the factory inspection situation, it can collect LoRa sensor data to ensure private security, also to avoid dead zones that other communication devices tend to present. Let's take power plants for example. Traditionally, environmental sensors or meter reading are done via thermocouple or wire connectivity. The aging method requires physical setup throughout the facility and difficulty on maintenance if something goes wrong. To combat this, many factories have switched to wireless methods, where LoRa and its low power consumption and long-range transmission property are in favor of larger facilities such as power plants. The switchboards are fitted with LoRa-enabled meters, and reading results can be sent out via LoRa. The distance can go hundreds of meters or more. Inspection personnel will patrol the facility and collect these meter data, as well as environmental sensor data, all in one patrol, reducing effort and time, as well as reduce the complexity of the maintenance for any individual equipment, as repairs are only done to individual equipment, does not require full system-wide diagnostics. To be cost-effective, save time, and deliver a safer solution. Finally, G70S have those Pogo connectors that supports push-to-talk microphone attachment. Also opens out possibilities for all the future upcoming accessories. This is G70UL. A long-range barcode and UHF reader that can work standalone or pair with your Bluetooth devices. The barcode scanner is rated for 21 meter ultra long-range reading, and the UHF can go up to 6 to 8 meter in distance, which is perfect for a warehousing application where the cargoes are stacked up, where the operator doesn't require to get up close to the inventory item itself. The ultra long-range barcode reader have another great use. I'll get to that in a minute. The G70 is when you have G70UL function with G70S. The combination enables G70 to be the total solution of factory inspection, where G70UL will be collecting data with its ultra long-range reading capability, which prevents operators to step too close to the hazard zone in the facility, such as in power plants or petrochemical plants. And the G70S unit will be collecting information from the collector and the LoRa sensor data, sends it up to the cloud server for storage, records, and analysis. That'll be all for this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more future videos. Feel free to send us an inquiry if you would like to learn more about G70 Family. My name is Michael. Take care.